So, good evening all, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, this is the second session of the day, still joining, Gopasri joined, and next Sandeep Kumar, Dhanusha. I think morning you did not attend the class, okay, Madhurima, Sameer, Chandana, yes. Okay, Prasanna, Deepak, Preeti, Sriram, Sunita, Balkoti, Prasanna. Some new viewers are there. First you need to subscribe so that you may get notifications. Sindura, you are also new. Hi Chintu, Harsha, Sri Harisha. Bharat, you are also new. Hi Gopasri, Ambika, Madhurima, Sumant, okay, Ruby Grace, Kosanam, you are new, okay. Already I told you that is a Harian book, follow better or Telugu Academy test books. Yes, new, you are new. Yes, Lokesh, Tharun, right, Balkoti, Talluru, Gauss. Okay, I will make the plan easy for Eamcet. Tomorrow I will make a plan. Good evening. Okay. Right. Thank you. Surya Prakash Sai. I have seen. Tapsum, hi. Kanna. Okay. Thank you. So, once again, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, we are continuing the limit chapter. Okay. So, next the problem number is 40. Problem number is 40. Okay. Right, 39th problem. Okay, 39th problem. Okay, 39th problem. Right, 39th. F of x equals to x tan inverse x tan inverse x, that means x multiplied by tan inverse x. Then limit x tends to 1 f of x minus f of 1 upon x minus 1. So, first option is pi by 4, second option is pi plus 1 upon 4, third option is pi plus 2 upon 4, fourth option is pi plus 3 by 4. This is the question. Okay. So, now f of x is given as x multiplied by tan inverse x then we need to find out limit extends to 1 f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. So, first we have one formula, f dash a is defined as limit extends to a f of x minus f of a upon x minus a. This is called derivative of f of x at x is equal to a. So, using this condition now, the limit extends to 1 f of x minus f of 1 upon x minus 1. So, can be written as f dash 1. That means, say this is equation 1 now. So, f dash 1 means you need to find out f dash x, derivative of this function with respect to x. So, differentiate both sides with respect to x. F dash x is equal to d by dx of x tan inverse x. Then product rule you need to apply, uv function. So, that means now this equals to x into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into derivative of x is 1. So, now we need to find out f dash 1, that is the required one. So, f dash 1 is equal to 1 upon, so 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus tan inverse 1. This is tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 plus 1 by 2. So, now if you take 4 LCM, we have pi plus 2 to ja, pi plus 2 by 4. Third option is the right option. So, once again good evening all. Okay. Yes, 360 or 480, so that you will get clear. Thank you viewers, you are giving lot of guidance to the other new viewers also. Please do like that, so that I will concentrate on the problems. Thank you. Thank you. So, Madhukar Reddy, where this is useful in our practical life. Okay. So, separate video I will make it, that one. Practical life means actually you are entering in the engineering courses, definitely you will get to know about what is the use of derivatives and what is the use of integration. Okay. Yes, LH rule also we can apply, Ambika. That means we can get f dash x, that's all. F dash 1 directly also we will get it, no problem. So, you are also absolutely correct, your method is also correct. Rajeshwar Agar, useful for students Eamcet, sir. Okay, useful for students Eamcet. Okay. Now, the question number 40. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Upon sin square 2x equals to, first option 3 by 2, second option 5 by 2, third option is 7 by 4, fourth option 9 by 2. So, this is the problem. So, Shankar Narayana, you are new to I already told you, Madhukar Reddy, you might have heard, in actually for mathematical modeling is very important. Better you go to the Google and search for mathematical modeling, because I am concentrating on the Eamcet point of view. First, now I am not able to explain about the practical what is the use of this limits and integration and differentiation. So, now better if you have any leisure time, go to the Google and type it mathematical modeling, that is all. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x upon sin square 2x. See, right now, so better this problem let us do using expansions. That means cos x and sin x are the power series. So, we have the cos x is equal to, we can write 1 minus x square by 2 factorial and plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial and minus dash dash infinity. That means, this function can be written as a power series. So, in the similar manner, the cos 2x is equal to, we can write only two terms you take it, 1 minus x square by 2 factorial. Here x means 2x, 4x square by 2 factorial. 2, that means this can be written 1 minus 2x square you can write up to. So, this we can write 1 minus x square by 2, 2 factorial means 2. So, up to this you neglect higher powers, approximately write down, this also approximately. So, in the similar manner cos 3x write down, that is 1 minus 3x whole square, 9x square by 2, here approximately equal to, directly write down. Okay. So, now let us find out this cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. After that we shall move to the problem. That means 1 minus x square by 2, okay, multiplied by 1 minus 2x square into 1 minus 9x square by 2. So, now this can be written 1 minus 2x square, so minus x square by 2, and next x square by 2 into 2x square is x to the power of 4, you neglect it, into 1 minus 9x square by 2. So, this can be written 1 minus 5x square by 2 minus 2x square and minus x square by 2 into 1 minus 9x square by 2 equals to 1 minus 9x square by 2 and minus 5x square by 2. This will be 1 minus 9 plus 5 is 14x square by 2, 7x square, this approximately equal to. So, now let us go for the problem now. So, this is now, so here only I will do, given expression is equal to, numerator you can write 1 minus 7x square upon, I already told you this, as x approaches to 0, the sin x is approximately equal to x. So, the sin 2x approximately equal to 2x we can write it. So, that means here we have sin square 2x, as sin 2x is equal to x, sin square 2x is actually we have here 4x square you can write it. So, now this equals to 1 minus 1 cancel, the limit here also limit you need to remember, x tends to 0. So, this will be 1 minus 1 cancel, 7x square by 4x square, that is 7 by 4. So, option is third option. Okay, LHS rule also you can apply, Surya Prakash. LHS rule also you can apply, you will get it. But yesterday one of the viewers asked me, sir, how to apply the expansions, that is why I have done expansions method. Okay, but otherwise I would have done this LHS rule itself only. Okay. (41) limit extends to 0 x cube cos of 2 by x equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option infinity, fourth option does not exist. Does not exist. So, Navya, I think you joined your new. Okay. Vijayasagar Deshpati. Okay, good evening. I am new to your class. I was actually referring the previous classes. It's very helpful. Thank you so much, sir. Hard work. Thank you, Jainab. Thank you, Jainab. Okay, now let us solve this question. After that, I will come to the chart. Okay. Limit extends to 0, x cube into cos of 2 by x. See, this can be done actually using sandwich theorem or squeeze principle. So, that means actually we have the minus 1 less than or equal to cos of 2 by x less than or equal to 1, because actually the domain of cos of 2 by x is lies between minus 1 comma 1. Multiply throughout with x cube. So, then what do you get now? Minus x cube less than or equal to x cube cos of 2 by x less than or equal to x cube. Now, apply limit here x tends to 0. So, minus common, limit x tends to 0 x cube less than or equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube cos of 2 by x less than or equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube. So, now we get this is 0 less than or equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube cos of 2 by x less than or equal to 0. That means actually these two are the two layers. Between the two layers, this is the sandwich. So, that means this is greater than or equal to 0, this is less than or equal to 0. Obviously, therefore, the limit x tends to 0 x cube cos of 2 by x equals to 0. So, that means first option is the right option. Okay, first option. Otherwise, you can do one more method also. I will explain, easy method, that is method number 2. Method 2. What is the method 2 means? Here x cube is actually required limit, say L is equal to required limit x cube into 0 into always for any real value the cos of 2x lies between minus 1 and 1, that is finite value. So, 0 into something 0, answer is 0. So, 0 is the answer. Yes, Hari Krishna, sandwich, not sandwich rule, that is sandwich theorem we have, or squeeze principle, squeeze principle. So, I think Mr. Ramesh Kumar, one of the viewers, asked me the sandwich theorem, but today he is absent. Okay. Limit x tends to 2, 7x square minus 11x minus 6 upon 3x square minus x minus 10. This is the question. Already explained method number 2. Okay. First one is 17 by 11. Second option is 11 by 17. Third is 17 by 4. Fourth option is minus 17 by 11. This is the question. Navya, okay, right. So, first let us substitute the limit now. This limit 7 times 4, because 2 square is 4, 44 minus 6 by 3 into 4 minus 2 and minus 10. This is 28 minus 50 upon this will be 12 and minus 12. Okay. 22, not 44. Yes, 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 exactly, exactly. This is correct. This will be 22. Right. This will be 28. 28. 0 by 0 form. That means indeterminate form. So, that means now the solution, let us find out the factors of the numerator and factors of the denominator. So, that means factors of the numerator can be evaluated using synthetic division method. 7 minus 11 minus 6. So, put x is equal to 2. That means x minus 2 is one of the factors. So, 7, this is plus 14 plus 3 plus 6, stop 0. So, similarly, denominator 3 minus 1 minus 10, x is equal to 2, 0, 3, this is 6 plus 5, this is x tends to 2, okay, plus 10, 0. So, that means now we can write like this, limit x tends to 2, here numerator factors are x minus 2 into 7x plus 3 upon denominator factors are x minus 2 into 3x plus 5. So, x minus 2 gets cancelled. Now, substitute the limit 14 plus 3, this is 6 plus 5, that is 17 by 11. So, now the method number 2, let me explain method number 2. Method 2. So, apply LH rule, L Hospital's rule. So, that means derivative of the numerator is 14x minus 11 upon derivative of the denominator is 6x minus 1. Limit x tends to 2, substitute 28 minus 11 upon 12 minus 1, that is 17 by 11. So, first option is the right option. Supriya, you are new, so one of the viewers definitely give the information to you, don't worry. Okay. Now 43. Limit x tends to 0, 4 plus x root minus 8 plus 3x cubed root upon x. First option is minus 1 by 2, second option is 1 by 2, third option is minus 3, fourth option is 0. This is the question. Limit x approaches to 0, root over 4 plus x minus cubed root of 8 plus 3x upon x. So, first let us substitute the limit now. Root 4 plus 0 root 4 minus cubed root of 8 plus 0 cubed root of 8 by 0. Square root of 4 is 2, cubed root of 8 is also 2 by 0, 0 by 0 form. That means you can apply LHS rule. Okay, you can apply LHS rule, or even you can apply expansion rule also. So, that any method you can apply. So, let us apply LHS rule now. So, this can be written now for our convenience. So, 4 plus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 8 plus 3x whole to the power of 1 by 3 upon x. Apply LH rule. LH rule. So, that means derivative of 4 plus x whole to the power of half is half into 4 plus x whole to the power of half minus 1 is minus half, and minus derivative of this one is 1 by 3 into 8 plus 3x whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Derivative of x is 1. Now, the limit x tends to 0. So, that means half into 4 to the power of minus half minus 1 by 3 into 8 to the power of minus 2 by 3. So, now you remember this is half into, this will be 2 square. 2 square means 2 gets cancelled, 2 power minus 1, 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 into, this will be 2 cube. 2 cube means 3 cancel, 2 power minus 2, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So, that means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. So, let us simplify this one now. What do you get now? So, that means here you get 12 is the LCM, 3, 4 3 ja and 1. So, that will be, wait, somewhere we did mistake. Yes, actually here derivative did mistake. Here 8 plus 3x differentiation also should be written 3. So, into 3, wait now. So, now what happens means this 3 gets cancelled. So, now we have so 1 by 2 into, this is 2 square, 2 power minus 1 1 by 2 minus 8 to the power of minus 2 by 3 is 2 power minus 2 1 by 4 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Yes, absolutely 0. So, both will be gets cancelled. So, fourth option is the right option. Yes. Okay. 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 44. Limit extends to 0, 1 plus tan x root of minus root of 1 minus tan x upon sin x equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay. So, now limit extends to 0, root of 1 plus tan x minus root of 1 minus tan x upon sin x. So, here you remember the conditions. As x tends to, as x approaches to 0, the sin x approximately equal to x, tan x also approximately equal to x. Now, the problem can be changed like this: limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus x root minus root of 1 minus x by x. Already this problem we have done. So, this you can apply L'Hospital's rule, or otherwise you can write this is 1 by 2 and minus of minus 1 by 2. This will be of plus of equals to 1. So, second option is the right option. Right. Forty-five. Correct. If 7 minus x square by 12 less than or equal to f of x, less than or equal to 7 plus x cube by 5 for all x does not equal to 0, then limit x approaches to 0 f of x equals to first option 3, second option 5, third option is 7, Fourth option is 9. This is the question. Okay, now 7 minus x square by 12 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 7 plus x cube by 5 for all x does not equal to 0. Then we need to find out limit x tends to 0 f of x. So it seems to be rather actually sandwich theorem itself only, or squeeze principle. Apply the limit, that's all now. So you get like this: limit x approaches to 0, 7 minus x square by 12 less than or equal to limit x approaches to 0 f of x less than or equal to limit x approaches to 0 7 plus x cube by 5. So now apply the limit. In the place of x 0, 0 by something 0, this is 7 less than or equal to limit x approaches to 0 f of x less than or equal to 7. This is the sandwich between 7 and 7. So therefore limit x approaches to 0 f of x is, we get 7. So that means third option, option 3. So you did not use the similes, actually options is enough, Nana, because Batsu Ashish, okay, just type your any, our discussion should be confined to the already told you several times, only academic part itself only. Okay, 46th question number. Yes, okay. Limit x tends to 0, secant ax minus secant bx upon x square equals to a square minus b square by 2. Second option, b square minus a square upon 2. Third option 0. Fourth option 1. So this is the shortcut, that's all you need to remember. So limit x tends to 0, secant ax minus secant bx by x square. The shortcut, you remember this shortcut, or tip also you can say. Limit x tends to 0, secant ax minus secant bx upon x square equals to a square minus b square upon 2. For example, you have this one, cos ax minus cos bx upon x square. Instead of this, limit x approaches to 0. So this is equal to b square minus a square by 2. So you remember this shortcut also. This may be useful for even solving continuity problems. So don't worry, in probability chapter very easy, so we can solve most of the questions. So Ajay, I think you have not been actually following my videos. I am continually okay. "47 limit extends to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x cos x minus sin x pi by 4 minus x into cos x plus sin x." Okay, first let me write this question, after that I will come to your chart. Okay, first option is 2, second option is 1, third option is 0, fourth option is 3. See, you why can't we use L Hospital's rules? Means you can use whenever 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you can use it, Nana. But we have the actually option to remember the shortcuts, so I have given the shortcut, that's all. So audio disturbance, now it's okay. Is it audible now? Okay. Okay, now clear, audible? Yes or no? No, no, no. Okay. It's clear now? Yes or no? Hello? Wait, wait, wait. Clear? Hello? Clear? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I think now it is okay. So you will be getting weight. Okay now? Okay. Could you please close the door? Just Okay, enough. Now it's okay, I think so. Right. See, first limit extends to 4 cos x minus sin x by 5 by 4 minus x into cos x plus sin x. So, let us divide into two functions, product of the two functions. So, that means this we can write now, limit extends to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x pi by 4 minus x, okay, into limit extends to pi by 4 1 by cos x plus sin x. So, if you observe this limit, you will be getting 0 by 0, so that we can apply only for this LH rule. Here directly we can substitute. If you apply the LH rule, this will be limit x tends to pi by 4, cos x differentiation is in the numerator minus sin x, sin x differentiation is cos x, but we have minus cos x upon pi by 4 derivative 0 minus x derivative minus 1 into we have here, see, 1 by substituting the limit cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So, or else you keep like that only, because you will, so gets cancelled this one. Again you can rewrite this cos x plus sin x So, now this we can write minus common, minus into minus plus, limit extends to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x into 1 by cos x plus sin x. So, this gets cancelled, we have 1 is the answer. Second option is the right option. Limit extends to 0 log of 1 plus x to the base e upon 3 power x minus 1. First option log 3 to the base e, second option 0, third option 1, fourth option log e to the base 3. This is the question. Okay. So, limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus x to the base e by 3 power x minus 1. If you substitute the limit x for 0, log 1 is 0, by 3 power 0 also 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 0 form. So, you can apply LH rule, apply LH rule. So, if you apply LH rule, derivative of log of 1 plus x is 1 plus x upon derivative of 3 power x is 3 power x log 3 to the base e minus 0. Limit x approaches to 0. Substitute the limit 1 by 1 plus 0, here 3 power 0 log 3 to the base e. 3 power 0 is 1 and 1 by 1 is 1. So, we have 1 by log 3 to the base e. We have one formula in logarithms, log a to the base b equals to 1 by log b to the base a. This is called change of base rule. So, this we can write like this, log e to the base 3 is the right answer, fourth option. Limit extends to 0, e power alpha x minus e power beta x upon sin of alpha x minus sin of beta x equals to, okay, first option 0, second option 1 by 2, third option is 1 by 3, fourth option is 1. This is the question. Okay, limit extends to 0, e power alpha x minus e power beta x upon sin alpha x minus sin beta x. So, first let us substitute the limit now. So, if we put x for 0, alpha into 0 0, e power 0 minus e power 0 by sin 0 is 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 by 0 form. So, you can apply LH rule, apply LH rule. So, derivative of the numerator. So, derivative of the numerator is e power alpha x into alpha x differentiation alpha minus e power beta x and beta x differentiation is beta upon sin alpha x differentiation is cos alpha x into alpha x differentiation alpha minus sin beta x differentiation is cos beta x into beta. First let us substitute the limit. If you get again 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, again we need to apply LH rule. So, now here what becomes means e power 0 into alpha minus e power 0 into beta upon cos 0 into alpha minus cos 0 into beta. Here e power 0 1, here e power 0 1, cos 0 1, cos 0 1. So, we have 1 into alpha minus 1 into beta, alpha minus beta by similarly alpha minus beta. So, we get 1. So, fourth option is the right option. Sivaprasad, e power alpha x differentiation is e power alpha x into alpha x differentiation alpha minus e power beta x differentiation is e power beta x into beta. Sin alpha x differentiation is cos alpha x differentiation alpha minus sin beta x differentiation is cos beta x differentiation beta. Just I substituted a limit, that is all. I think you might have followed. Okay. So, 50, question number 50. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 plus bx upon x equals to, first option is a plus b, second option is a minus b, third option is minus a minus b, fourth option is log 2. So, now is it visible? Is it clear? The question is clear? Okay. So, one shortcut you remember here. What is the shortcut? Already we have discussed. Once again I will write limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus ax upon x. Even by applying L'Hospital's rule also you will get it, same answer. A, this is the shortcut we have. You remember this shortcut, please note down. This is very, very important. It's a tip. Okay, now solution we can write like this. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus ax upon x minus limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus bx upon x. See, using this formula, this can be written a and minus this can be written b. So, a minus b is the answer, second option. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Fifty-one. Okay, you may be getting. Nagalakshmi, wait. $51. Thank you, Swati. Okay. 51. Limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 9 power x, x multiplied by 4 power x plus 9 power x equals to, first option log of 3 by 2, second option log of 2 by 3, third option log of 4 by 3, this is fourth option, we have log 2. This is the question. Okay, LHS rule also we can apply, and we have one shortcut also. LHS rule also we can apply, that also you do it. Okay, let us do LHS rule also, no problem. So, first solution follows like this: limit x approaches to 0, 4 power x minus 9 power x by x write down into limit x tends to 0, 1 by 4 power x plus 9 power x write down as a product of two functions. If you substitute the limit 4 power 0 1 minus 1 0 by 0 form, you can apply now LHS rule for only for this one. Here just substitution. LHS rule means 4 power x differentiation log x, 4 power x into log 4 minus 9 power x differentiation is 9 power x log 9 upon 1, limit x tends to x approaches to 0. Here if you put the limit here 1 by, it's very important, 4 power 0 is 1, 9 power 0 1. So, now let us apply the limit here. This is 1 by 2 in brackets, write down 4 power 0 is 1 log 4 minus 9 power 0 1 log 9. So, we get now this equal to of log a minus log b means log of a by b, 4 by 9. So, now this can be power can be taken back, this is log, we can write 4 by 9 whole to the power of half, that is root of 4 by 9, that is equal to log of 2 by 3 is our answer. So, second option is the right option. Now, 52nd question. Limit x tends to infinity. Thank you. 2x root of x square plus 1 minus x equals to first option 1, second option 1 by 2, third option 0, fourth option minus 1. This is the question. So, limit x approaches to infinity 2x into root of x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, better actually here rationalize it now. So, what is the rationalizing factor of root of x square plus 1 minus x? The RF is rationalizing factor is root of x square plus 1 plus x. That means multiply both numerator and denominator with this one. So, this can be written now 2x into root of x square plus 1 minus x into root of x square plus 1 plus x upon root of x square plus 1 plus x. So, rationalization has been done now. Limit x approaches to infinity. Now, what do you get now here? You see, this is limit x approaches to infinity. We have 2x into, this will be x square plus 1, because a minus b into a plus b, minus x. So, upon what do you get now here? So, root of x square plus 1 plus x. Okay. So, something is there here, I need to check it now. X square, please check x square. X square plus 1, yes, this is x square, absolutely correct, yes, yes. So, now this is a minus b into a plus b, this x square. So, x square gets cancelled, yes. So, now this equals to 2 common, limit x tends to infinity, x by root of x square plus 1 plus x. So, now here in this one take x square common. So, this is equal to 2 times limit x tends to infinity. So, x by root of x square common here, we have 1 plus 1 by x square and plus x. So, next this is 2 limit x approaches to infinity, x upon, here root of x square is x, this x also we can take out common. If you take x common, this will be root of 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1. So, now x gets cancelled, 1 we have. As x approaches to infinity, the 1 by x square becomes 0. So, that means 2 multiplied by 1 by root of 1 plus 1. So, that will be 2 into 1 by 2. So, answer is 1. So, first option is the right option. Okay. Here actually see, this will be a minus b into a plus b form. So, a square minus b square, that I have forgotten actually to write x square here. Actually x into x will be getting x square. $53. Okay. So, let us move to next question. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus so on dash dash 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Right. First option 1, second option 1 by 2, third option is 1 by 3, fourth option is 1 by 4. This is the question. See, limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus dash dash plus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So, let us find out the partial fractions of the nth term now here. So, that means consider here nth term is Tn. Tn is equal to 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So, this we can write now 1 by 2 into 2 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 write down. Can I write like this? It makes no difference. So, now this equals to, we can write, instead of this 2, we can write like this 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1. Check it, what do you get? Whether you get 2 or not? Yes, you will get 2 only, by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So, here we have 1 by 2. See, this is equal to, we can write now 1 by 2 times. So, this divided by this and again this divided by this, you need to split it. 2n plus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1, you will get it. So, now you need to find total sum of the series now. That means Sn you need to find out. Sn is equal to sigma 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Here n is equal to 1 to, you will be getting infinity write down, or first n terms write down, after that n write down. So, that means you can get first substitute 1 by here 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 by 3, next substitute 2 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, next 3. So, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 and so on dash 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 plus 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. This is called telescoping series. So, now 1 by 3 gets cancelled, 1 by 5 1 by 5, 1 by 7 and 1 by 2n minus 1. So, now we have here this equal to 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1, but we need to find out n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity means S infinity. As n approaches to infinity, this 1 by 2n plus 1 becomes 0. So, that means 1 minus 0, 1 is the answer. So, first option, option 1. Okay. So, otherwise you can apply one more shortcut also. So, shortcut means actually here direct answer you will get it, shortcut. You remember this shortcut. Here required limit, say L is equal to, so this means difference of these two write down, difference of these two is actually 2, that is okay, we have forgotten 1 by 2 also. So, sorry 1 by 2 is there, we have forgotten 1 by 2, this should be written 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So, that not observed, here 1 by 2. So, answer will be 1 by 2. So, that means not first option, please ruled out. Second option is the right option. Now, I will tell you shortcut. Here see how to remember the shortcut. 1 divided by difference of these two, 3 minus 1. So, answer is 1 by 2. It's very easy process, you can follow. Okay, 1 minute. So, before going to the next problem, let me check. Okay. $54. Limit n tends to infinity, n plus 2 factorial plus n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 3 factorial, n plus 3 factorial equals to first option 1, second option is 1 by 2, third option 0, fourth option is 2. So, this is the problem. Yes, Radhika, this method is only applicable whenever actually that is 1 by a into a plus d. Yes, with shortcut only one step, that is correct. So, now the solution. So, factorial notation has the shifting property. So, that means you see n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial, or same thing you can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, and like that we can write it. This is called shifting property. The factorial has the shifting property. So, using this property, this problem can be solved. Okay. Okay. So, now, so using this shifting property, this solution can be written like this. This n plus 2 factorial can be written as n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial. This n plus 3 factorial we can write like this. See, n plus 2 factorial we can write n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial, whereas n plus 3 factorial we can write n plus 3, n plus 2 and n plus 1 factorial. So, using this concept. Okay. So, now let us solve the problem. Okay. So, now this n plus 2 factorial we can write n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial plus n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 3 factorial we can write n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial. Limit n approaches to infinity. Now, we can take out this n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial common, this n cancel, we get like this now, n plus 2 plus 1 by n plus 3 into n plus 2. Because what happens means actually here So, this is n plus 1 factorial and n plus 1 factorial has been taken common out and cancelled out. We have this is the remaining one. So, this is limit n approaches to infinity. This becomes n plus 3 cancel. So, we have 1 by n plus 2. Okay. This equal to limit n approaches to infinity. Infinity plus 2 is infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So, third option is the right option. $55. Limit extends to infinity x plus a by x plus b whole to the power of x plus b equals to. Sir, why 0 means actually see as n approaches to infinity, even n plus 1 also approaches to infinity, even n plus 2 also approaches to infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. This is the reason. Okay. First option is 1, second option is e power b minus a, third option is e power a minus b, fourth option e power b. Limit extends to infinity x plus a by x plus b whole to the power of x plus b. See, if you apply the limit, actually what happens means limit of this function is coefficient of x in the numerator by coefficient of x, that is 1 by 1 1 actually extends to infinity, infinity plus b is infinity. So, this is in the form of 1 to the power of infinity form, 1 to the power of infinity form. So, we can do like this now. So, required limit is equal to e to the power of limit x approaches to infinity. This is called actually, for example, say this is f of x, say this is g of x, f of x to the power of g of x. G of x means x plus b into f of x minus 1 x plus a by x plus b minus 1. So, let it be simplified in the power only. So, now this equals to x plus b into, here LCM is x plus b, x plus a minus x minus b and e raised to limit x approaches to infinity. It is very logic, x plus b cancel, x cancel. Here we have constant. If you apply limit to the constant, always constant only. So, we have e to the power of a minus b or e power raised to e raised to a minus b. So, third option. Okay. Right. 56th problem. If limit x approaches to infinity, 1 plus lambda by x plus mu by x square all to the power of 2x is equal to e square. What is Moola, Radhika? What's your doubt? Sir, please explain trick in 53. Okay. Right. So, tomorrow is also class is there. Actually, definitely that question will come. I will discuss. Don't worry. Lambda is equal to 1 and mu is equal to 2. Second option, lambda is equal to 2, mu is equal to 1. And third option, lambda is equal to 1 and mu is equal to belongs to any real number. Or fourth option, lambda is equal to mu is equal to 1. This is the question. This is very important problem. So, we need to concentrate on this one. Thank you Vamshi. Thank you. So, Swati, I will try, because actually I won't skip by discussing 10 or 15 questions only. So, I need to cover all the models so that you can do by your own. Understood now, Swati? Right. Limit extends to infinity, 1 plus lambda by x plus mu by x square whole to the power of 2x equal to e square. So, that means if you substitute the limit in this one, so lambda by x becomes 0, mu by x square becomes 0 as x approaches to 0. So, this will be 1 to the power of infinity form. The previous same concept you can apply. Here see, Hari Krishna sir, explain objective of maxima and minimum. Wonderful question, Hari Krishna, you asked. What is the objective of maxima and minima is that will be used in actually civil engineering. In civil engineering actually they will construct the dams. So, when you construct the dams actually they have the tunnels. In the tunnels definitely they will make use of maximum and minimum. If you wish, actually I have written a paper on this one, how the maxima and minima can be applied to the civil engineering, that can be forwarded tomorrow in our WhatsApp group. Please go through it. Now, the solution L equals to, you can write as this is in the form of f of x to the power of g of x form, and also moreover this form 1 to the power of infinity form. So, what is lambda? Lambda is actually here, what is the constants only they are, instead of a, b, c, small a, small b, they are taken lambda. Lambda is the Greek letter. Okay. So, this can be written e raised to g of x means 2x multiplied by 1 plus lambda by x f of x, this one is mu by x square minus 1. Now, limit is being applied as x tends to infinity. This is e 1 gets cancelled. Now, 2 e to the power of limit x tends to infinity. Now, multiply each of the term with this x, x into lambda by x, we have lambda plus mu by x. So, whose value is equal to, given that we have this value is given that e square. So, e square. When you apply the limit, the mu by x becomes 0. So, that means we have e to the power of this 2 into lambda 2 lambda, sorry, later you will equate it, don't worry, this you leave it. So, but already limit is given, that is e square. So, e power 2 lambda is equal to e square, 2 lambda equals to 2, lambda is equal to 1. It does not depend upon the value of mu. Mu means any real number, mu belongs to R. So, that means third option. Right. Okay, now right. So, this is the 56th question. So, now let us move to the next 57. Limit extends to infinity, x plus a upon x plus b whole to the power of x plus b. First option 1, second option e power b minus a, third option e power a minus b, fourth option e power b. Already this kind of problem we have done, just see it, this question you try it. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you. So, anybody give the WhatsApp number? Okay.